In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Rank Math plugin in WordPress efficiently and effectively in just 5 minutes. This plugin is a powerful tool for optimizing your website's SEO, and setting it up correctly is a crucial step to ensure that your site is well optimized for search engines. Let's dive right in and step through this process together. First, begin by navigating over to your WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is your main control panel in WordPress where you can access all of your site's management tools. Once you're there, you'll want to make your way to the plugins section. This section is essential because plugins allow you to extend and add functionalities to your site without writing any code. Click on Add New within the plugins area. This action will open up a vast repository of plugins available for your site. In the search bar that appears, type in Rank Math SEO. You'll see a list of plugins populate. Look for Rank Math SEO in the list. It should be near the top with a lot of positive ratings, and remember, it's free. Once you see it, click on the Install Now button. This will take a few moments as WordPress prepares to add this useful tool to your site. After the plugin installs, you will see an Activate button. Go ahead and click Activate to turn on the plugin and start utilizing its features. Upon activation, you'll be automatically redirected to a page prompting you to connect your Rank Math account. This step is vital as it ensures you get the full functionality of the plugin. Now, if you don't have a Rank Math account yet, don't worry. Simply head over to the Rank Math website where you can quickly sign up for a free account. It's straightforward and should only take a moment. Once your account is set up, go back to your WordPress site and connect the account by following the on-screen instructions. Next, after successfully connecting your account, you'll be directed to the Setup Wizard. The Setup Wizard is an intuitive guide provided by Rank Math to help configure the plugin optimally for your site. Make sure you pay close attention to each step. The wizard will help you adjust settings such as your preferred SEO features, which content types to optimize, and other important configurations tailored to enhance your site's SEO readiness. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully set up Rank Math on your WordPress site. You'll now be in a stronger position to optimize your site and improve its visibility on search engines. Feel free to explore the rest of the plugin features, and happy optimizing.